Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Stephy Blue Bear. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this monochromatic green look. I have green here. I have green eyeshadow on with green highlight and green lips, so if you really like the color green and you want to do an all green, a simple all green look, this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's just get started. So the first palette that I'm going to be using is the Lime Crime 10th Anniversary palette. And I'm going to be using the color Grass, which is this green color. And I'm going to be applying that all over my crease. So let's bring you closer. So I'm going to be applying that all over my crease. Now I'm going to be blending that color out. Then I'm going to be adding a tiny bit more of that green back. Just a tiny bit. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to be dabbing that on the inner corners, like kind of right here, my eyelid. So now I'm going to be just blending that out with a brush. So now I'm going into the Real Her 1 shadow palette, and I'm going into that color Smart, which is a black color. And I'm going to be, so it's that color right there. And I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of my eye right here. So kind of make this look more of a smokier eye, sort of. And then I'm attempting to put a little bit of that black on the crease. I'm going to blend that out. So next I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to be using this color called Sour, which is like a light green color. I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to be applying that onto my lid. So now I'm going to be taking this Lime Crime Diamond Dew liquid eyeshadow in the color Tinsel, and it is like a sort of a dark green glittery eyeshadow. You can kind of see. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but yeah. And I'm gonna be putting that all over my lid as well. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to be blending the edges out a little bit. I'm going back in with that black color and I'm going to be adding a tiny bit more black to right here to blend it out with the glitter that I already put on. So I did my foundation and concealer and powder, so now I'm going back in with the Lime Crime palette and I'm going to be taking the color Grass and I'm going to be putting that underneath like my lash line right here. So I'm just going to blend that out right here. And now I'm going to be blending that out. I'm going back in with the Real Her One palette. I'm going to be taking that black color Smart and doing the same thing with the green and putting it underneath, but I'm not going to go too far like I did with the green. I'm just going to put a tiny bit in the corner. And then I'm also going to blend that out. So now I'm going to be taking the Lime Crime Unicorns Highlight Palette, which it looks like this. And I'm going to be using this green color in the middle called Frolic, if you can see that. And I'm going to be using this color for my inner corner highlight as well as like my regular highlight. So now I'm just going to apply that same highlight to my cheeks. and some on my nose and on my lips. Now I'm just gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner to do my typical eyeliner that I usually always do. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, and I'm also going to be using the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara to put on my eyelashes. So the very last thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying this Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit lipstick. It's a metallic lipstick. It's from the Mermaid collection. It's in the color Siren's Jewel, so it looks like this. And I'm going to be applying that to my lips. So this is the finished look. It's a nice glittery but simple green look with green eyeshadow, green highlight, and green lips. I know that everything looks sort of different, like I know this was more of like a kind of like a yellowy tone green, and this is more like a blue tone green, but I think it's really cool to kind of mix the different tones of green. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, are you going to try this monochromatic green look? I would really like to know. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.